What's up, everybody? Welcome to my new video. I have decided to go with an online compiler for now, but I still have the tabs open to remind me that this ain't a pass. This is a temporary pass. We will be studying vectors in school pretty soon, so I can't always just use an online compiler. Eventually, you have to get your own compiler. So, in the meantime, just to solve this problem right here, or this one here. So, you get an array of numbers. Actually, before we even start, let's just go ahead and see if vectors work on the online compiler, which they should, but you never know. So first, let's just create this vector right here. We do have a namespace, so we don't need the standard, so all we need is that part right there. Boom. Let's just see if it compiles. Just leave it at that. Run it, see what happens. Vector was, okay, I didn't name it. Let me name it. Vector array. Vector was, okay, I see this. So, just add this and it should work. It looks like it works at least. Let's try it out one more time. Okay, so it does run. It does run. Perfect. Now let's see if we can print it out. I've actually never printed out just a vector. Can you print out a vector? Just print it out. Oh, you can't print out a vector. Oh, so is that if it's happening on the online compiler, that might be a global thing. You can't just print out a vector. That might be something global. But it does run. I see what's going on here. Alright, let's move here. So we'll go ahead and delete this one here. We'll paste it up here. And then down here, we'll just go ahead and do this right here. The exact same thing. It should work properly. Yo, alright, there it is. We can't print it, but if it runs without any errors, then vectors most likely work. By the way, it's like 90 degrees in here. Okay, no, so it just doesn't work. I'm not printing it. Am I? I'm not. I saved it. Run it again. Like I'm not printing it. It's the exact same thing. Yeah, it just doesn't work. Okay, we'll deal with that later. It just doesn't work. Alright, so we have the pseudocode. Actually, yeah, we'll copy this on here. We have this function here, which is named Vu. It's right here, or not Vu, but Foo. And whoa. And then from here we can do. So we have a counter, we have an array. Okay, we'll move that away. Okay, so we're gonna have this as a constant. Vector int array counter. If array is greater than 0, then add to the counter. We're adding the sum, so not just how many positives there is. In this case, if I put 1 through 5, it should be 15. Okay, so in that case, we can do, let's say, it's called foo. Then we'll do array. Let's see how that works. 15, there it is. Now if I add -2, it should go down by 2. So it should be 13 now. And there it is. 13. Perfect. All we need to do is pretty much just kind of paste it on there. Test it. So it was pretty much how I had it. It already worked. I just couldn't run it on my... That's bugging me. Really annoying, but... Some stuff, like, I didn't build this PC, so it's like... You know, Apple built this, so I can't really... I don't have no control over it. I can only download stuff and delete stuff. So we'll fix that later. But it works. Submit it. I did it in about, I don't know, 7 lines or so. But it's the same thing. Size, if, doing the if in one statement. Pretty much, you know, the basics. And we'll leave it at that. Thank you guys for watching. Y'all have a good ass day. Peace out.